For 2 hours, Nicaragua laid out its case against Germany,
Please be seated. The sitting is open.
accusing it of facilitating genocide, 80 years on from the Holocaust.
Germany emphasizes that its assistance to Israel is a raison d'etat because of the historical treatment of the Jewish people during the Nazi regime. That is an understandable and laudable policy if it were addressed to the Jewish people. The Israeli state, in particular its present government, should not be confused and equated with the Jewish people.
For the first time, 2 countries appeared at the International Court of Justice, which aren't directly involved in the atrocities at stake. But Nicaragua argues Germany is indirectly involved by sending arms and ammunition used against civilians in Gaza. German weapons exports to Israel have increased tenfold to $323 million in 2023 from $32 million the year before. Research Institute Forensic Architecture has documented recent sales of torpedoes, tank ammunition and engines for military equipment and the lease of so-called Heron drones.
German companies involved in the military industry are directly profiting from the situation as they have seen their share prices rise since 7 October.
In his book Whitewashing and State Building, Daniel Marwiecki writes that Germany's post-war military and financial support for Israel has mainly been about Germany's own rehabilitation.
In the beginning, the relationship has nothing to do with morality and a lot to do with pragmatism also on the Israeli side, which however has changed. So today I would say that there is sort of like a moral dimension to the German support, but it's not only moral. Nothing is ever only moral.
This case is seen as a test for international justice. Can a country that is not directly committing atrocities be held responsible for facilitating them? A Dutch court recently ruled that countries selling weapons are bound by international treaties, meaning that these weapons can't be sold if there's a risk of humanitarian international law be violated. And Nicaragua argues that this is the case in Gaza. Germany has dismissed Nicaragua's allegations.
Germany does not and never did violate the Genocide Convention nor international humanitarian law, neither directly nor indirectly.
She said she would give more details during Germany's defense on Tuesday, when it has its turn before the court. Step Vaessen, Al Jazeera, The Hague.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.